Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte Arc A380 and Arc A310 custom GPUs, and friend, both GPUs are now available and pricing is starting at $170. So friend, Gigabyte is now selling AMD, NVIDIA and Intel GPUs, and Gigabyte is launching A380 and A310 GPUs, all based on ACM-G11 GPU. And friend, A380 ships with full GPU featuring 8 Xe cores and 6GB 96-bit memory, whereas the A310 features cut down GPU with 7 Xe cores and 4GB 64-bit memory, and the A380 feature 2450 or 2350 MHz push clock, whereas the A310 is not overclocked. And it is also worth notice that OC card features one 6-pin power connector, which is not present on the A310 GPU. And the Gigabyte's Arc A series are actually quite cheap. We are looking at $170 to $231 price after conversion of Russian currency. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.